Hey everyone, it's Kelly, the Frugal Fun Mum. Welcome to the channel and today's video where we have some laundry madness mess going on and we need to majorly clean this up. There is just stuff everywhere, and so I thought, come along with me as we attempt to tidy this all up. So I'm doing a voiceover because we're doing some washing at the same time. It's the only way that we're going to get through this, and hubby's laundry is just finishing in there now. We're actually having a few issues with our washing machine right now, so we have to keep moving all the clothes around from time to time and then do another respin. I don't think it's recovered from when I cleaned it out from the last lockdown. So this is our sort of, laundry mud room. The door goes to our backyard and it's where everything kind of gets dumped if we need to take it on somewhere. So yeah, this is the collection of stuff to go to savers, kind of gets dumped there, and then anything else I kind of want to deal with later, again, it gets dumped there. But this area gets very dirty very quickly with all the traffic. So I literally am just throwing all the clothes and anything else into the laundry ready to be washed, and I'll deal with all that in a minute. And then picking up all the rubbish. And we've got other bags of stuff, bits and pieces that have just been dumped here from walking in the door. Okay, ready for the mess? Yep, it's fallen out. Hence why I need to clean this cupboard, because look at that. There's just stuff everywhere. So want to really focus on stockpiling, not just food, but cleaning products and other stuff, and make sure I have enough things and sorting things out in areas that people will know where stuff is. So we have a bottle of shampoo that's leaked, brilliant. And sadly a toilet roll casualty that's here. What is that? Picasso. I like it. If anyone watches TikTok or Instagram reels, you'll see that from time to time. So yes, that is one of the reasons too why I wanted to clean up, because I have no idea where anything is and I need to know how much of what stuff we have. So clearly from cleaning this out, I've realized very quickly we don't have any toilet paper, and shelf unstable, we've had a casualty, so we need to clean that up. I'm also finding in here bits and pieces of stuff that I have no idea that we had. There's a onesie in here, there's some old curtains because the curtain rod broke in the window, and there's bin lids and there's bin containers. We've got posters in here, and we've got a whole lot of other bits and pieces, so I'll pull those out and I'll go through those because oh gosh, who knows what we're gonna find. So I've also found a pair of white gloves here that I would have bought at an op shop and would have spent about an hour looking for them. So I'm going to wash those because I will need them one day, maybe for some sort of decoration or event. And an old Avon hat, so super dusty in here, so cleaning everything up, and then wiped all the shelves down and put them back in there again so we can start organizing what is going where. So here is the mess of bits and pieces that I found, a whole lot of savers bags, so I'll put those in a container. Oh, here's a box that we were making up for, you send the troops a box at Christmas time. That would have been about 4 years ago that we did that. Yeah. And a whole lot of other bits and pieces in here. There's some old soaps so they can go in the bathroom. Some bits of vacuum cleaner. I'm not sure if it's the old one or part of the new handheld one. I will just put them to the side and work it out. And then some bags and some other cleaning stuff. All right, this top section has got some car cleaning stuff and then some other more chemical based things like bleachers and Drano and stuff. So I'm keeping those up higher. We don't have any young children in the house, but at least if I know up the top, it's not really something we commonly reach for. And then sorting out on the other shelves at eye level, the clothes, laundry liquid, and the washing powder and anything else that we need. And I'm just kind of cleaning over some of the other areas. The window gets really dirty. We just leave our laundry liquid in the windowsill here. There's no point putting it away because no one else does. So I just leave it there as a visual thing. We have this little cabinet underneath the sink that, no idea why, stuff just gets shoved in there. We never use it, and I pretty much never remember anything's in there. So I'm going to empty that out. There's some old carpet cleaning things, so we're going to chuck those out, and some just bits and pieces. So we'll throw all that out because I haven't even touched it in like well over 2 years. Even with lockdown clean out, I didn't get to it, so I'm just going to leave it. And I will put back though in there a bucket because that's always good for cleaning. I'm going to clean the floors here. I'm told that toilet cleaner is really good for helping clean grout, so I'm just going to give that a go on a couple of areas. And I'm just going to scrub some of the tiles here because they get super dirty with us walking in and out of the house. I will give the whole area over a bit of a mop, but I just wanted to scrub it a little bit and see how it goes. I'm going to see if there's a way that I can scrub this without being on my hands and knees because I paid for it the next day. My legs were so sore, but it was super satisfying seeing the dirty water come out afterwards. So of course now we've got the corridor to clean because you need to get rid of things quickly and you throw them in there to clean out the laundry. So it makes double the mess, but otherwise I just end up walking backwards and forwards all the time, which is exactly what I'm doing now. So I've got that pile of washing to do, and that will go in now, and then it will be on its way ready. So the final result, here we are. The floor, I gave it a bit of a mop over, but yeah, I want to give it another scrub, and everything's pretty clean. I'm just keeping the mop in the corner with the clothesline there because inside the cupboard, which you'll see in a minute, we're keeping the other clothes horses and a few other things, which is more important to save there until we kind of figure out a better system. So we've got everything at least here ready for stockpile, and yeah, I'm pretty happy. If you enjoy cleaning, you can check out this other video that I've done. Feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.